Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Julie. And she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, my daughter is getting married soon. Their theme is Beauty and the Beast. The colors are deep red, royal blue, and golden yellow. She has a centerpiece in mind and she wants me to make it. I'm not sure where to start. I'm very crafty and can learn quick with a little help. Thank you." Well, Julie, not only are we going to give you a little help, we're going to give you all the help you could ask for, as well as where to get the supplies to make this beautiful Beauty and the Beast enchanted wedding centerpiece happen. So, without further ado, let's get started with this week's project for Julie, Beauty and the Beast. Let's go ahead and get started with our centerpiece topper. We're going to use a 9-inch styrofoam disc, a 6-inch wood circle, and a large candle cup. We're first going to go ahead and attach the 6-inch wood circle to our 9-inch styrofoam disc, and then we're going to attach the large candle cup right on top of our wood circle with hot glue. Next, we're going to go ahead and paint our wood circle as well as our large candle holder with blue acrylic paint and set it aside to dry and work on the base. For the base, we're going to use a 6-inch wood plaque, a 6-inch styrofoam disc, as well as a 3/4 inch wooden dowel cut at about 20 to 24 inches tall, and another large candle holder. We're going to attach all 3 pieces together with a little hot glue. Make sure everything is nice and level before you move on to the next section, which will be to wrap our dowel with this beautiful 7/8 inch navy satin ribbon, starting at the bottom with a little bit of hot glue and simply wrapping until it's covered. Let's add a little character to our glass tea light holders by attaching 2 miniature blossoms at the top of each one with a little bit of hot glue. We're going to use basic washers as well as fishing wire to attach to the top of our centerpiece in order to hang our glass tea light holders. The final touch is to attach our glass tea light holders with our fishing wire. Well, Julie, how did we do? I hope we brought your Beauty and the Beast theme to life. It's absolutely stunning. I would make the suggestion, though, to alternate this centerpiece on the tables, which means I would just create the base for half of them and then insert a hurricane lamp or a LED candle in them so you have the height differentiation and it's a more stunning view when your guests walk into the room. Well, guys, I hope you liked this week's episode. If you did, by all means, like us, subscribe, especially click that little bell and you get a special notification from us as soon as our projects are posted. And as always, if you'd like, drop us a comment or ask us a question. I answer the questions myself. It does take me some time to get to them, but I promise you I will. In addition to that, you can always follow us on our social media, and those would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already subscribed to your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free, no cost to you. Head down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. It was formerly known as Ebates. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I want to thank all of you for taking the time to join us every week. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we appreciate you choosing to spend your time with us. Don't forget to head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, for more DIY projects, savings cost savings, as well as blog posts that give you way more information than we can share on our weekly video tutorials. Also on our website is a free resource library, so check it out. Just giving you some tips of the trade, some different downloadable things that you can use in your project and project planning. Thank you so much again for spending this time with us, and always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.